Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Several months before the smartphone's launch, you can reserve the flagship in 4 limited editions. These stylish, high-quality models are also quite expensive. According to the latest news data, the new upcoming Apple iPhone 18 Pro will receive 4 limited special editions, several months before launch. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The official unveiling of the new upcoming Apple iPhone 18 Pro isn't expected until September this year. Several months before the smartphone's launch, you can reserve the flagship in 4 limited special editions. These stylish, high-quality models are also quite expensive. While Apple is still busy selling the iPhone 17 Pro, available at Amazon for $1,214 US, please check the link below the video. Luxury smartphone maker Caviar is already accepting orders for the Apple iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max. This is unusual for Caviar, as the company regularly develops limited editions based on leaked smartphone designs and then adapts them to the final design of the corresponding smartphones. Since the iPhone 18 Pro should be virtually identical to the iPhone 17 Pro, save perhaps for a slightly smaller punch hole, there are no design surprises in the Caviar Royal Colors Limited Edition. Caviar offers 4 design options, each limited to 18 pieces. A serial number from 01 to 18 is engraved on the frame. Caviar is emphasizing exclusive materials. The frame and back of 3 of the 4 models are 24-karat gold-plated, while the back is made of genuine crocodile or python leather. iPhone 18 Pro pricing and availability. The Apple iPhone 18 Pro Caviar Royal Colors Limited Edition is now available for reservations at the manufacturer's online store. Prices range from $10,060 to $12,270 US, depending on the design and storage capacity. Caviar offers all 4 models based on both the more compact iPhone 18 Pro and the iPhone 18 Pro Max. Shipments are expected no sooner than a few weeks after the launch of the Apple iPhone 18 Pro. The Caviar package includes a crocodile leather wallet, while the real iPhone 18 Pro smartphones are expected to launch in September this year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.